Actually, hindi naman namin ma-achieve yung gusto naming i-break the boundaries overnight. We've been working on that since last year, 2025. Entering the global charts definitely is a good start. And gusto pa naming palawakin yung sakop ng OPM worldwide. And alam namin, kasama namin yung ibang fellow OPM artists namin para ma-break yung boundaries na yon. Kasi OPM to be the most sought after sound in the world. Wow! Na yun yung gusto namin break na boundary na hindi lang English or Western songs ang tatangkilikin ng buong mundo, kundi ang sariling atin.